Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!
This is Galliano. Easily recognized by its tall fluted bottle, they've been making this stuff since 1896. You'll find it on practically every bar you go to. Most of the time it just sits there collecting dust. I don't know whether bartenders don't know what to do with it, or maybe it's because Galliano peaked in the 1960s and 70s when drinks like the Harvey Wallbanger and Golden Cadillac were popular. Originally made in Livorno, which is a port city on the western coast of Tuscany, Italy, this herbal flavored liqueur was created by Arturo Vaccari at his distillery to honor the fallen Italian war hero Giuseppe Galliano. What a great name, eh? Giuseppe Galliano, I love that. Who gave his life in the First Italo-Abyssinian War. Vaccari created this original recipe, but it's said that he based it on a homemade liqueur that Giuseppe Galliano carried with him into battle. Can you imagine? I mean, okay now, I'm ready. Although the making of Galliano has long been in the safe hands of Maraschi and Kirisi, over the years, the various brand owners have influenced its recipe, attempting to modify the liqueur to make the brand more profitable. In 1989, the brand was purchased by Reme Cointreau, and it was rebranded as Galliano Vanilla Liqueur. Yeah, it's going down. I use a lot of this stuff in my cocktails. I guess they thought it had more mass market appeal and consumers wanted more vanilla flavor. I don't know. Then it got purchased by Lucas Bols out of Holland. Well, the recipe changed again, and Bols decided to work with Maraschi and Kirisi to once again produce Galliano according to the original recipe. It's now being billed as the original recipe, and the label has changed too, to Galliano L'Autentico, the original. It also helps distinguish the original liqueur from other Galliano branded liqueurs which are now produced. To this day, the Galliano recipe remains a well-guarded secret. You know, I find that really impressive that they could keep a secret for so long. Some of the 30 herbs, roots, bark, spices, and plant extracts include Mediterranean anise, juniper, musk yarrow, ginger, star anise, lavender, peppermint, cinnamon, and of course, sweet vanilla. It's made with a process of 7 infusions and 6 distillations. This Galliano L'Autentico you can't buy here in Canada, at least where I live. My crew, when they were visiting Portugal, actually brought it back with them. It was gifted to me from a relative of theirs who's a big fan of the show. Right on. That's how I acquired this. Thanks, Stephen. Let's check it out, eh? All right. Galliano Vanilla. All right, I get to crack a new bottle. Oh, I love that. Oh boy. Okay. On first impression, well, the appearance is brilliant, almost like an acid yellow golden color. This is the vanilla here on my right, and it's 30% alcohol by volume. Oh boy. Now this is 42.3 alcohol volume, the Galliano L'Autentico. And man, look at those legs. Look how thick it just clings to the glass. I'm liking it. Oh yeah, well the alcohol definitely comes through here. A lot stronger than this one. This one, definitely vanilla, just poking its head through. Where more of an anise, hints of strong anise going on in the L'Autentico. Maybe some mint, even some citrus, and a whole whack of other herbs I can't put my finger on. Well, I think I'm going to try the original first because I'm so used to the vanilla. It almost has an oily entry. And wow, for 42.3% alcohol by volume, that is really smooth. Lots of sweetness going on there, and a lot of herbal elements. I'm gonna try the other. Yeah, now the vanilla is really, really smooth. It's almost like a vanilla-infused absinthe or pastis, albeit a little lighter in that licorice taste. They both have a wonderful, wonderful aftertaste. My final thoughts? Don't overlook this interesting liqueur. It's a complex party in your mouth. It's delicate, it's smooth, and has a rich, mellow taste. It could be that missing ingredient you've been looking for. I bet you, it would make an incredible glaze in a cake recipe like, like a Harvey Wallbanger cake. Cheers.
Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review. Cha-cha!